If you are trying to withdraw your money on Poppolive and the withdrawal is just failing, or even stuck at just pending, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to actually show you the reasons why your withdrawal might not actually go and the instant solution you can actually follow up in order to fix that issue. I know it's actually frustrating to have money on Poppolive and you're trying to withdraw your money you've worked hard to in and you're not able to actually get it to your bank account. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix that can help you to get your money through into your bank account. So guys, let's dive right into the video. You're welcome to Appfix and 𝙑𝙊𝙍𝙀, and my name is Daniel. So right here on the home page like this is my Poppolive home page. So the next step you need to take here is to go to your home screen like this. Now, one of the issue why your withdrawal might not actually go through is when you have not reached the minimum withdrawal amount. So let's say you don't have enough money on your Poppolive like this, and you click on the withdrawal button like this. If you're trying to withdraw, it's actually going to show you insufficient amount. So in order for you to actually fix that issue, if that is the issue you are facing, you need to earn more money on Poppolive and try to withdraw. So another reason why your Poppolive withdrawal might not actually go through is when your bank account or wallet is not verified. So right here on the screen, you can see my wallet, which is 𝙑𝙀. So if you've not added a wallet to your Poppolive, you need to go ahead and add a wallet to your Poppolive. When you add it, after the verification, this is how you are going to be able to see it right here. It's going to show you view, and you're going to see this verification logo at the top left corner, showing you that this method has been verified. So you need to make sure you add the payment method and make sure it is verified. Make sure the name or the bank account matches the name on your Poppolive account so that you're not going to actually have any issue. Sometimes the system actually delays by itself, so you just need to wait for 24 to 74 hours and see if the problem is going to be fixed. See if you are going to be able to receive it on your bank account or wallet. Another reason why you might actually not be able to withdraw your money you've worked hard for on Poppolive is when you violated any Poppolive rules or using fake activity, spam gifts, or even suspicious behavior. Your account or withdrawal might actually just get blocked and you won't be able to withdraw your money. So you need to avoid using VPN, multiple accounts, and others. So another way you can fix this problem as well, this way is actually neglected the most, is to go to your phone settings like this, then click on apps, click on the search button and search for Poppolive. So when you go to the Poppolive app like this, looking right here, you can see where it says storage. Click on that. Now click on clear cache at the bottom of the screen. After clearing the cache, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for Poppolive as well. So right here, if yours says update, you just need to go ahead and update it. In most cases, this might actually be a glitch or bug issue. So in order for you to fix that, you need to clear the cache and then update the app. So you need to note that you should not request for multiple withdrawals. Once you place a withdrawal, you just need to wait for 24 to 74 hours before requesting for another one, and make sure you receive the one you've actually requested for. So this is simply how you can fix withdrawal problem on Poppolive. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload more helpful tutorials and Poppolive tutorials like this on this channel. See you in the next one.